Okay, Jim has done this, redid this panel, and you must have 120 volt coming in, and it hooks into right there. We'll leave some little pigtails out, and if you needed to, I don't see any reason to, but there's a jumper that jumps over to this one. So you could run 220 and you could run 220 and take the jumper out, and then it would go run half of it and half of it, but no more than you got here. It's fine to just run 120 volt here, and then it's got a little jumper that jumps over to this one. Anyway, but 120 volts here, and then 220 volt three-phase up here. And he drew all of it except that he didn't put the overloads. These are overloads, heaters that would, if the motor got hot, it would kick one of them out and not burn the motor up. But I'm just going to fold this up and stick it in here. It kind of gives you an idea of how the how it's set up and what runs what. But you must come in with 120 volt single phase, and that goes right there. And then you got to come in with 220 volt three phase, and that goes right here. Okay, and also this is what turns it on. You got an off and on breaker there to turn the power off, but it does not turn the power off to the 120 volts, so you got to watch that. But then there's a little control right here that you turn it off and on too. That turns the transformer off and on. So, but that's the we still got it setting up on. We had to install an extra FRL filter regulator and oiler right here, and that's to run the air to it. You'll have to have air coming into the machine. Okay. Now, one thing you got right here, you put a door in, and you must get it past, to get it to run, the door has to be past this limit switch. But don't go too much past it, because you want to give when you hit that start button, you want to give it time to let the cutter head get up to speed on spinning, you know. So, I mean, don't put it all the way up to the cutter head and then turn it on, you know. Just barely get past the this limit switch, and you'll notice that if I hit start, okay, now you notice that when it comes off of this one, it stops. But there's another limit switch down on that end that will keep it running until the I'll start it. It'll stay running as long as it's on that one down there, so that till the door gets out. So this limit switch and that limit switch is what keeps it running. And if you come off of either one, if you come off of both of them, it'll stop, you know, between doors. Okay. We may stop this machine about partway through here, because I don't know if we got enough room to get that door all the way through there, do we?
I don't think so.
Okay, we're going to probably run it a little ways and just show you that everything works, and then stop it before it hits that commander. You can see we're starting to get the commander ready to ship. Yeah, you want me to help? Too late. Yeah, let me get out so I don't get soaked with sawdust. You're not, you haven't got that limit switch down. Give them that tip bar.